it's Tiffany with L3 Naturally, and today I'm making cleansing clay bars. This cleansing clay bar is packed with great and yummy, also awesome stuff for your skin, such as Kaolin clay, coconut milk powder, apricot and jojoba oil, colloidal oatmeal, and cocoa butter and shea butter. So you know this cleansing bar is packed with awesome greatness. So with that being said, let me tell you some things about the white kaolin clay. The kaolin clay is a mild exfoliant and gently removes dead and dry skins to leave your skin with a clear, glowing, and as well as reducing the size of your pores. But today we're actually going to be using it in a body cleanse bar. Also, let me talk to you about coconut milk powder. Coconut milk powder has a high vitamin C, which helps maintain elasticity and flexibility of the skin. Also, colloidal oatmeal powder is very soothing to the skin. It's good for dry, itchy skin and very inflamed. Cocoa and shea butter. Cocoa and shea butter are both great butters, highly concentrated in fatty acids. So, if you have super sensitive, eczema prone, dry, itchy, flaky, inflamed skin, this is the perfect cleansing bar for it because it's so mild, it's so gentle, and I'm using so much. But I can't stress enough how great this bar is for your skin. So right now, all I'm basically doing is taking my apricot and jojoba oil and mixing it in with my cocoa and shea butter. And I'm going to stir up my my powders. Yeah, excuse me for that. So I'm going to stir up my powders and I'm going to mix in the oils and the butters together. As I'm pouring all my butters and oils into the powders, you just want to stir until it gets moist and moisturized. Then other than that, pretty much I'm just going to set them into my molds and I'm going to leave them to set and dry overnight, 24 hours, or you can put them in the refrigerator and let it set like that. I'm pretty sure I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. But yeah, so if you like these, give this a thumb up or follow or subscribe or whichever one, because I'm not sure which platform I'm going to post this to yet. But yeah, so you can follow me at L3 Naturally on Instagram, or you can find me on YouTube at L3 space naturally. You can even go to my website at www.byl3naturally.com, or you can find me on Facebook. Either way it goes. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, follow, subscribe, whatever the things that you guys like to do. Hopefully I'll be coming back with more videos like this. But thanks for coming, and I appreciate you guys so much.